It's juicy. Look at that. It's so good.
If it's already been done for you, why do it? This is my child's shirt. I am wearing a child's shirt because that is the kind of day I'm having. Hey there, it's Simply Susan and welcome back to my kitchen. Now today is one of those days where I literally have no time. So I'm going to make something that I think is quick and easy, and I'm not gonna gatekeep products because sometimes when it comes to high protein cooking and eating, you gotta just have the right products, right? So I'm gonna share that with you in a second because we are gonna make a turkey cheeseburger. And the reason why I say turkey is because it's made from ground turkey, or actually a ground turkey patty, and then also turkey bacon. So it's gonna be super high protein, it's gonna be delicious. But I also wanna tell you that this is the first of 2 videos I'm gonna make because it's warm outside. It's like gonna be 80 degrees tomorrow. I don't know why, but it is. It's like 70 degrees today. So it's cookout season. So what do we want to eat when we're at a cookout? Burgers and hot dogs. So today we're doing the burger part, and then my next video is going to be the Great American Chili Cheese, not burger, hot dog, but it's going to be high protein and healthier, cleaner. And then my third video, do you love how I give you a preview? The third video is going to be clean teriyaki chicken with 0 sugar, 0 carbs, and a ton of protein. So let's get to getting.
0, 1. Let's get started.
So let's quickly go through all of the ingredients it takes. It's only a couple to make the most delicious 58 grams of protein, delicious turkey cheeseburger. Okay, the first thing you're going to need is a turkey burger. And you know what? I was in Trader Joe's yesterday and that turkey burger didn't have that much protein in it. So I was just like, I can do better. So of course you can use just, take a pound of ground turkey from your grocery store, cut it into 4 so you can have a 1/4 pounder, and just season it up with your favorite spices. But you know what? When you're in a hurry like I am today and most of the time, if it's already been done for you, why do it? So this is, let's see, Butterball's turkey burgers. And the flavor that I have, it's sweet, onion seasoned 60% less fat burger. So it's already seasoned for you. There you go. And it not only has, but it has 260 calories and it has 2 grams of carbs and 27 whopping grams of protein. So this is pretty exciting. So this is what I use for my base. So that's 27 grams of protein. For the bacon on top, I love Trader Joe's uncured, what is this? Turkey thighs chopped and formed, no nitrates, no nitrites. And yeah, it's hardwood smoked turkey bacon. So I only take 1 slice. If you like yourself some turkey bacon, take more than 1 slice, but I just put 1 slice on because 1 slice has 6 grams of protein. If you want extra protein, go for it. But 58 grams of protein in 1 burger, that's a lot. So I use a slice of this. We got ourselves some cheese. So I like to use sharp cheddar on my burgers. And okay, it has 5 grams of protein, and here's where we get in a ton of protein. So I have a ton of options for burger buns. I have keto culture burger buns. They come in hot dog and hamburger buns, so keto culture is a good one. Also, Arnold's is a good one for their keto burgers, buns for their burgers and hot dogs. Also, you can just use Dave's Killer Bread. 2 slices has 10 grams of protein, and then if you want to go buck wild, Sola has these burger buns and they have 12 grams. But if you want to go for the Mac Daddy Cadillac Rolls Royce of hamburger buns, then I would recommend the Better Bun. So the Better Bun is made by the Better Bagel. No, who is this made by? The Better Bun is made by the Better brand. So it's by the Better brand and it is designed with fewer carbs and more protein. 4 grams of net carbs, that's it. 20 grams of protein, no sugar added, and it's plant-based. And this is the Brioche Bun, and it has 20 grams of protein and 28 grams of fiber. So lots of nutrients in this buddy. So all in all, if I do all my calculations, that's 58 grams of protein, and I'm only doing 1 patty. You can have a double cheeseburger and do more. You can have double cheese, double bacon, double patty. I'm doing 1 of each because I want you to know that you can get 58 grams of protein in 1 not ginormous meal. So let's cook it up. We're taking one of these sweet onion seasoned turkey burgers, and mind you, they come in unseasoned, I think Mediterranean and other flavors, but you can get it plain, you can get it seasoned. I like to do the seasoned ones because then I don't have to do any extra work. Stick one of those in there. It's on 400 degrees. I'm gonna start it off. Let's see. Air fryer, I'm gonna air fry it for 10 minutes. You can also do this on a skillet and just flip it over and you can cook it to whatever your taste is, rare, medium rare, well done, whatever you want. But I do it for 10 minutes and then at the 10-minute mark, I stick the bacon in. 10 minutes have flown by, and so I took one of these slices of Trader Joe's turkey bacon, I cut it in half and I flipped over the burger and back into the air fryer. Alrighty. So until cooked to liking, I like my stuff like medium rare. So that's what we're going to do. So while my burger is in the air fryer, I'm gonna speak a little louder because you can probably hear it, but we're gonna have a little story time. And that is, look at this shirt. I was like, this shirt is cute, but as you can see, I was like, it's a little short. I was like, is this a crop top? I don't know. And I was like, it's kind of fitting snugly. I don't know why. And then I was just like, I didn't realize I had a red crop top shirt. And then I looked at the tag and it says Children's Place. This is my child's shirt. I am wearing a child's shirt because that is the kind of day I'm having. And if you're anything like me, there are those days where you're like, I don't want to cook from scratch. I don't want to cook, whole foods from scratch because it takes a little longer and you're having a hectic day. You're wearing your child's shirt and you just want easy. So this is one of those times. However, I do want to tell you that it really only takes like 10 or 15 minutes, 20 max, for me to cook my whole foods cleaner meals. So I'm going to start that in 2 weeks, and I'm going to teach you and share with you all of my favorite recipes for eating well, but making dinner or breakfast or lunch really quickly. So that's coming up. If you haven't already subscribed, definitely subscribe, turn your bell notifications on, and I make videos every Sunday at noon, so I'll see you then. I might even have some bonus videos in the near future, so look out. All right, that's it. Here's the burger. You can put your pickles, your onions, your tomatoes, your lettuce, whatever you want, but this is the base burger with 58 grams of protein. Let's get to tasting. Okay, in the couple of minutes it took to finish cooking the burger, which is right here, and I'm so excited about it. But in the couple of minutes that it took, one of my kids came home and the other one is on his way home. And the kid that came home is the one whose shirt I'm wearing. I'm pretty sure he recognized it, so I better get to getting before I have to explain. All right, let's taste this sucker. It's juicy. Yeah, it's so good. What I love about this burger is that I'm talking with my mouth full, so I gotta multitask, I ain't got no time. But what I love is that it's quick and easy, it's fast, and it's got 58 grams of protein. Let me tell you, there are a lot of days like today where your day gets away from you, everything is crazy, you don't have time, you're hungry, you need to feed a family. This is definitely the meal to do it with. So easy. Just FYI, just in case you haven't caught on, I am not a professional YouTube person. I literally film and edit all on my phone, and I just do one take, and I basically just turn my phone on with my camera whenever I'm doing something to share with y'all. So it's not exactly polished, but I promise you that my heart is in it, and I'm on this journey together with you. If you're trying to lose weight, or if you're trying to get healthy, or both, I'm here with you, honey. Let's do this together in the messiest ways if possible with our mouths full, but I love you. I hope you're having a beautiful week. I'm so excited that you're joining the Simply Susan fam, and I look forward to seeing you in a week. Remember, we've got chili cheese dogs in a week, and then after that, we're gonna do a series that's going to include what I eat in a day, some vlogs, and some clean but really simple whole foods, high protein recipes. Let me finish chewing and eating, go take care of my children's, have an awesome, awesome, awesome rest of your evening, and I'll check you soon. Bye.
0, 1. Let's get started.